furry friends, my name's Miss Vanessa and I'm coming to you guys again with another video of things that you could do at home with things you probably already have around the house. Today I wanted us to make a DIY lava lamp with things that we already have at home. If you're going to try this, make sure you have an adult present so they can help you out. This is what you're going to need. The things that you're going to need for this project are a bottle of water that's filled up about a quarter of the way, some vegetable oil, some food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. I'm going to start by filling up my bottle of water with some vegetable oil. Now we're not going to fill it up all the way. We're going to fill it up so that there's some space left. So right about there. All right, and if we can see, all of the oil rises to the top because it is less dense than the water. Next, I'm gonna pick the food coloring of my choice. I pick blue. And we're just gonna add a few drops into our bottle of oil and water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all that food coloring is going to go to the bottom because it's about the same density as the water. Next, I'm going to take an Alka-Seltzer tablet and I'm going to break it up into little pieces and we're going to drop it into our bottle. And that's what's going to create the lava effect. So let's see what happens. Do you see all the lava rising to the top? Now this is going to last about 5 minutes. And when this is all done, you could always add more Alka-Seltzer tablets and it'll do it again and again and again. I hope you guys had fun making our very own DIY lava lamps. If you guys end up trying this at home, let us know. We want to see what you're doing at home too. And I hope you guys had some fun today.